MoJack Mower Lifts take the hassle and heavy lifting out of your routine mower maintenance. The MoJack Pro Mower Lift is perfect for cleaning the deck, sharpening mower blades, removing debris, and performing maintenance on your mower. This is the lift for anyone with big lift demands or frequent commercial maintenance. The MoJack Pro Lift fits most commercial ZTR riding mowers and lawn tractors on the market with a wheel span measuring 31.5 inches to 62.5 inches and has a front end lifting capacity of 750 pounds. Simply follow our assembly guide and adjust the wheel pads for an exact custom fit for your mower. Next, drive it on, secure the wheels with our included straps, and you're ready to start lifting. It's that easy. Simply hand crank or use a variable speed drill to quickly raise and lower your machine. Have peace of mind using the MoJack Pro with its innovative safety features, like the self-braking winch that won't spin backwards if released or bumped, plus the ratcheting system that automatically locks into place. The MoJack Pro Mower Lift has the highest lifting capacity at 27 inches, so you can perform any kind of cleaning, maintenance, and repairs with full access to the mower undercarriage. When you're done, the MJ Pro folds flat for easy, convenient storage. Always be sure to read and understand your user's manual for safe and effective use of our lifts. Wondering what lift is best for your mower or lawn tractor? Well, check out our website for compatibility at themojack.com, as well as our other products and accessories.